So good morning, doctor. So this is our video for Psda project 2. So this is our team. So for the introduction, this study aims to investigate the mean worldwide happiness score and explore the factors that influence it. So there are various statistical tests that were used, such as hypothesis tests for one sample, correlation, regression, and chi-square test of independence. So first of all, for the hypo-testing one sample test, the selected variables is happiness scores. As you can see, the test statistics, which is 0.3732, is smaller than the critical value 1.645. Since the test statistics does not fall in the critical regions, we can conclude that the null hypothesis cannot be rejected. There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean worldwide happiness ladder score 2019 is equal to 5.5 in 95% confidence level.
So the next test is the correlation test. The selected variables are happiness score, which is the ladder score, and the economy, which is the GDP per capita. So for the correlation coefficient that we got from this test is 0.7898, and this shows that there is a moderate relationship between the economy and happiness. So we can see that the test statistic is greater than the critical value. So this shows that the null hypothesis is rejected, and we have sufficient evidence to prove that a linear relationship exists between the economy and the happiness. So this is the scatter plot for the correlation test.
Okay, so the next one is regression test. So the selected variable is happiness score and the healthy life expectancy. So since the test statistic is greater than the critical value, hence we reject the null hypothesis. There is sufficient evidence that healthy life expectancy affects the ladder score of happiness in 95% of confidence level.
So next is chi-square test of independence. The selected variables is happiness score and region. So since the chi-square value, which is 75.9322, is greater than the critical value 28.8693, hence the null hypothesis rejected. Therefore, there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the ladder score is dependent with the regional indicator.
Okay, so this is the appendix of our projects. We use the World Happiness Report 2021, which is found in the Kaggle, to do our report. So that's all from us. Thank you.